The Grandnavi multimedia player is suitable for installation in various car models, including VW, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, Seat, Kia, Hyundai, Ford, and Mazda, among others. The Grandnavi multimedia player goes a step further by supporting connectivity for multiple devices. With the ability to connect up to 2 devices simultaneously, passengers can share content and control features, enhancing the overall entertainment experience for everyone in the vehicle. Installation of the Grandnavi multimedia player is a breeze, thanks to its plug-and-play design. There's no need to change or disassemble the original car equipment, making the installation process simple and hassle-free. Within minutes, you can enjoy the benefits of advanced multimedia and connectivity features without any technical expertise. The Grandnavi Universal 9-inch car radio multimedia video player redefines in-car entertainment and connectivity, offering universal compatibility, seamless integration with original car features, wireless connectivity, support for multiple devices, and hassle-free installation. Upgrade your driving experience today with the Grandnavi multimedia player and enjoy a new level of convenience and entertainment on the road. Experience the convenience of wireless connectivity with support for both CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, the Grandnavi multimedia player allows for effortless synchronization of your mobile phone's interface with the car's display. Simply get in the car, and your mobile phone's pages seamlessly mirror onto the touchscreen, providing access to apps, navigation, music, and more, all without the hassle of cables.